everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Amalanga, our fun from the 6th to the 10th of April 2026 on Monday. Sugar Basin is formally introduced to his siblings, much to Mom Sarah's chagrin and Dulas Mon, what could have been with Thembi realizing she's gone forever on Tuesday. Lobolo is a success, but Sugar Basin drops a bomb on the family. Mom Sarah is on the outside looking in. Dula Sparrow mourning his lost treasure on Wednesday. Sabelo turn his lemon to lemonade. Sugar and Thembi shock everyone again about the wedding, and Sarah is made to face the world on Thursday. Gumede's greed and stubbornness cost him losing his money. Gumede is not impressed with the short wedding invite list as Thembi and Sugar Basin proceed with their wedding plans. Sabelo tried to get money from Thembi to invest in a project. Sabelo fires his lawyer and his action backfires. Mam Sarah gets an invitation to attend Sugar Basin and Thembi's wedding on Friday. As the Gumede prepare for Thembi's wedding, joy and chaos walk hand in hand. Sabelo's risky decision put everything on the line, while Dulas stirred trouble that could destroy Thembi and Sugar Basin's wedding. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share.